Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this watch, a SEIKO that I've got in. Now this is a particularly special watch for me. This is a birthday present from my wife. I got to choose a watch that I wanted, and it originally started off as a Citizen Eco Drive dive watch, obviously, but I ended up with this, and this has been on my wish list for a little while. So this is the SEIKO SNE527P1. I'll put that in the corner. Not an expensive watch. Cost about £120. I got it from a UK jewellers called H. Samuel, but it is available from Amazon and other places. I'll put some links in the description. And this is the unboxing. I've not opened it yet. So first one, so analog quartz solar. Yep, it's a solar watch, you can tell. It's got all the calibers there. I must admit, I don't know which caliber this is. So we've got some instructions. Oh, guarantee and instructions. I think this comes with a 2-year warranty, I believe, off the top of my head. Oh, there's another box inside. Right, okay, let me move that out of the way. Here we go. Oh, it's all fell over. Brilliant. And this is the watch. Let me move that out of the way. The box is really heavy. Now, I've upgraded my camera to try and get us some better video. And this is the watch. It's a simple dress watch. Solar powered, as I say. Wednesday the 4th, though, the date is correct. I shot this on the 4th of January. So this is the watch that I went for. Full stainless steel build. SEIKO Solar. So we're going to go solar with SEIKO. I've obviously done a lot of Citizens solar, but not SEIKO. So yeah, I really wanted a really nice, simple dress watch, and I'm out for a meal for my birthday on Friday with my lovely wife, and this is the watch that I will be wearing. Quite straightforward. It's quite big for a dress watch, so it's 40mm, but that's fine for me, obviously, on my 8-inch wrist. And I say pretty simple, but I really wanted that sort of distinctive looking dress watch. Now I've got an accurate dress watch that I picked up for about £35. I put a link to that in the corner, which I was really pleased with. But I did want something that's a little bit more distinct, and so I went for this. Let me just take off the packaging. Let's get off this SEIKO Solar. How does that come off? Does that peel off here, does it? Oh, there we go. And double retainers. Press clasp, yeah, that's fine. It's got a sticker on the back. I'll take a look at that a bit later and try and work out all that. Writing's really small. Oh, that's not my camera. Yeah, I'll have to work all that out after. Now, I've got an 8-inch wrist, so that is quite large. Let's just see how this fits. Oh, yeah, there's a little bit of play in there. I might have to just change that. I don't know if there's any micro adjust. Oh yeah, I'm really happy with that. That is really nice. As I say, about £120. Have I got any micro adjust on here? Let me have a look. Oh, there's one. I might get away with just micro adjusting that with one, I think, but we'll see. But that's it. It's the SEIKO SNE527P1. I'll obviously do a review on it. I'm wearing it this week, so I will get the review up as soon as I can. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.